Law number 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. In the game of power, chasing is a weakness. The powerful don't run after opportunities. They create an irresistible pull. This is law number 8 of the 48 laws of power. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Powerful people understand a fundamental truth. Control belongs to those who dictate the terms of engagement. The moment you chase, you surrender leverage. But when others seek you out, you dictate the rules. To make others come to you, you must create bait, something they want so badly they can't resist. This could be exclusivity, mystery, or an opportunity too good to pass up. Example: think of Steve Jobs. He never begged customers to buy Apple products. Instead, he created anticipation, making people line up for the latest release. A classic example is Napoleon's invasion of Russia in 1812. The Russians didn't meet him head-on. Instead, they lured him deeper into their territory, letting him exhaust his army before striking back. The result? Napoleon's disastrous defeat. So how can you use this law in your own life? Instead of chasing clients, create demand for your expertise. Instead of pursuing relationships, make others intrigued by your mystery and value. Draw them in, on your terms. Power tip: patience and positioning are key. Don't just wait, strategically place yourself as the prize. Power isn't about running after opportunities. It's about making them come to you. Use this law wisely and you'll always be in control. What do you think? Have you ever made people come to you instead of chasing? Comment below and let's discuss the power moves. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights from the 48 Laws of Power.